Hey everyone! Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool when you could be enjoying it instead? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 robot pool cleaners that can save you time, energy, and keep your pool sparkling clean all season long. Whether you have an above ground or in ground pool, we've got options for every budget and style. And trust me, you'll want to see which one made it to number 1. And don't forget, all the product links are down in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself anytime. Let's dive in. 5. AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max. Experience the future of pool maintenance with our state-of-the-art cleaning system, engineered for unmatched performance and convenience. The pool mapping and adaptive path feature uses advanced scanning technology to intelligently map your pool structure and adapt in real time for full coverage cleaning, regardless of shape or size. Its all-in-one cleaning system tackles every surface, from water lines and walls to floors and platforms, delivering a spotless top-to-bottom shine. Backed by superior filtration and power, it features an extra micromesh ultrafine filter and an impressive 8,500 GPa suction capacity for high-efficiency debris removal. The Smart Surface Parking function ensures the cleaner conveniently returns to the surface when the job is done, making retrieval effortless. Inspired by aerospace engineering, the Aviation Tech TVC engine provides powerful suction, pinpoint navigation, and superior maneuverability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year full warranty and priority customer support, because premium performance deserves premium protection. 4. Beatbot Aquasense 2 Pro. Experience the ultimate in pool care with the Aquasense 2 Pro robotic pool cleaner, combining 5-in-1 cleaning power to scrub every surface, walls, floor, waterline, and even floating debris, while clarifying up to 99,000 gallons with its eco-friendly crab shell clarifying agent. Control surface navigation effortlessly via your phone. Simply tap to direct the cleaner and eliminate stubborn debris without lifting a finger. With up to 11 hours of runtime and smart parking and drainage for easy retrieval, Aquasense is built for convenience and endurance. Its clever nav technology, 4-core CPU, and 22 smart sensors ensure optimized pathfinding for spotless results, while a dual-layer anti-blockage filter traps everything from large leaves to fine particles. Encased in UV and heat-resistant automotive-grade coating and backed by a 3-year full replacement warranty, Aquasense offers unmatched durability. Included: charging dock, clarifying agent kit, hook, filter basket, quick start guide, and user manual. Everything you need for crystal clear water with zero hassle. TALOSBO Pleco. The Pleco SE cordless pool vacuum cleaner is your ultimate companion for hassle-free pool maintenance, combining cutting-edge performance with user-friendly features. Its enhanced 5,200 mAh battery offers an impressive 130 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning and recharges fully in just 2.5 hours. Equipped with dual-drive motors and upgraded silicone bottom brushes, it effortlessly lifts debris like sand and small leaves, ensuring a sparkling clean pool every time. Designed for flat, above-ground, and in-ground pools up to 861 skånskårskånfint, it features 5 intuitive LED indicators to keep you updated on battery life and status at a glance. With a lightweight, energy-efficient build and a powerful 32 GPM suction rate, the Pleco SE minimizes drag while maximizing cleaning power. Plus, it's easy to lift from the pool using the included hook. Backed by a full 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support, you can buy with total confidence. Note, this cleaner is intended for flat-bottom pools without slopes. 2. BUBLUE Bubot 300P. Experience the future of pool maintenance with the Bubot 300P, a powerhouse of innovation and efficiency. Powered by advanced Blue Hole tech, it delivers twice the performance, 4 times the leaf removal, and an astonishing 7.5 times better efficiency for debris between 3 mm and 8 mm, ensuring no speck is left behind. With Dirt Lock Tech 2.0, leaks are a thing of the past, securely trapping all debris and draining water in just 5 seconds without a single drop escaping. Smart sensing and auto parking features make navigation seamless, while a vibrant 4-color LED indicator keeps you informed at a glance. Enjoy cordless freedom and extended 90-minute runtime, perfect for above-ground pools up to 850 feet. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, the Bubot 300P is your reliable partner in pool perfection. 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi experience hassle-free pool maintenance with the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Always connected via Wi-Fi, so you can schedule cleanings anytime from anywhere. Engineered with wall scrubbing power, it climbs and cleans every inch of your pool, regardless of shape or surface. The Easy Filter Care system features a top-load basket for quick debris removal, keeping your water crystal clear. Thanks to its plug-and-play efficiency, simply plug it in, place it in the pool, and enjoy a spotless clean in just 2 hours. Backed by over 40 years of Dolphin legacy, this cleaner delivers trusted performance, durability, and unbeatable convenience. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot pool cleaners. Whether you're looking for power, convenience, or value, there's a perfect option out there for your pool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home tech guides, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. You'll find all the product links down in the description below. Check them out to compare prices and features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.